Today we are in Los Angeles for the world premiere of a very special 911. It was almost 40 years ago, one of our greatest motorsport victories, winning the Paris-Dakar rally. The 911 Paris-Dakar represents pioneering spirit that has always been our calling card. Today we are going to present to you the rebirth of this Porsche icon, a road car with an off-road heart. So here it is, the new Porsche 911 Dakar. We plan to build a limited number of 2,500 units, a very special edition for our customers.
Porsche is a tangible brand, all about unique moments, something that you really need to experience with all five senses.
The Rally Dakar is brutal, absolutely brutal, especially for the car. During the test I was pushing the car to the limit. The car has got 473 horsepower and the two driving modes, the off-road mode, provide an amazing traction. On top of that, the famous rally mode that I like a lot, enable, we provide exceptional sliding on a loose surface.
We are redefining the joy of driving with a 911 Dakar on and off-road. You see, the 911 is always good for a surprise.
Out of the 305 cars that have started from Paris, Steve Rothman's Porsches are undoubtedly favourites.
Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe, share.